Okay, so this video is about different approaches designers take to designing new products. So the three we're going to focus on today are empirical design, intuitive design, and systematic design. So empirical design is in taking empirical research. So this is used by basically observing things. Now this could be direct observation, such as what you do when you analyse a product in product analysis, or it could be indirect observation, so finding out things that exist with a product or surround a problem, or even from your own experience of using products and services. So often empirical design, if we take the example of say James Dyson and his bagless cyclonic vacuum cleaners, he looked to the existing vacuum cleaner. He observed the fact that obviously the bag was a thing that needed to be replaced or unclogged or purchased as an additional item, and then he thought, well, if we remove that and change the way that the whole the vacuum cleaner works, it will improve the product. So he's used empirical research there, his own observations and his own system to actually improve the product in that way. Okay, our second design system, which is called intuitive design, okay, this happens almost spontaneously. Okay, so it's using your own intuition. Okay, so if we think about intuition, it's almost like something you can't really teach. It's just your own kind of ability to just see through a problem. Okay, so some of these things can just almost arrive out of nothing, okay, but the end product is an intuitive product. And if we think about intuitive, we think about the term product semantics. So the product is designed and it's absolutely obvious that it works the way it should because there's an intuition in the way it's been designed. It makes perfect sense that it works in that way. Okay. Our third and final approach to design that we're going to talk about today is systematic design. So systematic obviously comes from the word system. Okay, it's a lengthening of that word. Okay, and obviously in a system you go through a series of stages. So you will all, if you are undertaking either GCSE, AS or A-level product design, are probably going to be working through a systematic approach. It's the one that's taught in most design schools, especially at this level, until you get to a level where you can perhaps be a bit more intuitive or use empirical research. Okay, but in the systematic approach, you go through set stages of production. Okay, many of you have seen the design process probably, whereby we start by researching around the problem. We then might write a specification. We then might produce a range of design ideas. We'll probably then develop and evaluate those design ideas before we plan the production of the product and make the product. And again, because design is an iterative process, we can repeat this system over and over again. So once we've got the final product, we can then evaluate it and then go back to the drawing board, as it were, by researching around the problem in a way that we can systematically improve the product again.